Three Kenyan journalists were among 5 people injured when a small aircraft crashed near the southern bypass in Nairobi's Kibera area this afternoon. The journalists from Citizen TV were headed to the county of Baringo and Rift Valley to cover opposition NASA rallies.
Now, the pilot and his co-pilot are said to have sustained serious injuries but are currently stable and receiving treatment at the Nairobi hospital. Both President Uhuru Kenyatta and opposition NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga have wished the journalists and the pilots a quick recovery. KTN News reporter Sharon Momanyi was at the scene and now reports.
The remains of the light aircraft, a Cessna 260 model, lie wheels up at the Lifespring Christian Academy just off the southern bypass and near the National Housing Corporation houses in Langata. 10 minutes to 2 o'clock Wednesday afternoon is when the plane is said to have crashed, this location being just about 2 kilometers from Wilson Airport, where it had taken off from.
It was coming from Wilson Airport en route to Baringo. It was supposed to be going, I understand, to cover some political rally there. And it was carrying 5 occupants. Among the people who are in the plane, the occupants, we had a pilot and a co-pilot who are actually more injured than the other 3. The other 3 were citizen journalists who are going to cover political campaigns in Baringo area.
Wakati hiyo ndege ilitokea upande wa Langata huko kwa hiyo flyover. So nikadhania ni pengine ndege ambayo inapita inaenda. Kuangalia juu nikaona ina roll, inapinduka. Kukuja ikakuja ikashika upao moja ikashika waya. So wakati ilipindukia kwa hiyo upao na ikapinduka kabisa, engine ikaangalia juu ikakuja kalandi kwa miti ilikuwa pale. So kulandi hapo ndio ilitoka pale ikaenda kaangukia mkongo wa ndege.
Mimi nilikuwa huko chini. Sasa kuona ndege imekuja na imekuja chini. Ikazunguka huko Kibera, tukafikiria imepata line kama imejaa. Sasa inarudi nichukue line mpya. Sasa muda baada ya dakika kidogo napata news kwa simu ati ndege imeanguka kwa shule. Nikakimbia kukuja huko. Tukapata already washatolewa, tukapata wengine wawili wako hapo nje.
The pilot and his co-pilot are said to have sustained slightly more injuries than the journalists. The journalists, who include Citizen TV's Sam Ogina, videographer Mauritius Odwor, and radio journalist Joseph Njane, were able to break out of the crashed plane just as help arrived. The school children were not hurt in the crash as the plane landed in the compound a short distance from the classrooms.
Mmoja akapika kioo. Sasa kupika kioo nikaona kabla hii ndege wake nimsaidie kukonga hiyo kioo nyingine. Nikakonga alafu akatoka. Ndio kioo ikamkata. Alafu huyu mwingine akakuja na miguu, mwingine akakuja na kichwa mpaka ule wa mwisho. Walikuwa watu 5.
Langata Sub-County Police and AMREF responded fast, taking the casualties to nearby hospitals. Reports indicate that all the 5 passengers are currently stable.
We are happy to report that all of them are actually out of danger because when the plane crashed, the people were actually able to come here on time, were able to pull them out of the plane, and they came out walking themselves out of the plane.
The Ministry of Transport and the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority are investigating the cause of the accident. President Uhuru Kenyatta and NASA presidential candidates Raila Odinga have both sent statements wishing the journalists a quick recovery. Sharon Momanyi, KTN News.